everything in life is about balance. We know for to get happiness or good things in life, we need a balance. So it's the same about our body. So we need balance, We need balance between our cells. The temperature and the pH of our cells. And how we get this? How we get this balance to produce perfect body? And you know what? When you get this balance in your organism, you can get even more young and of course more beautiful. So we were talking about alkaline. So alkaline or basic blood. So when we have this basic blood, we have the cells negative charge, then they are, not so close to each other, and we get oxygen between. So when you work out in the gym, you need what? Oxygen to build muscles. And it's about everything. We have muscles in the hair, in the skin, the face, in the body. So we need oxygen. And one way that you get oxygen is from the water. And I would like to talk about the water because it's such important. We listen, okay, you need to drink 2 liters of water, 3 liters. Everybody says that we need to drink more water, and we agree about that. But it's not just drink water. We need to eat what has more water, because it's the water that will transform our blood from the acid stage for the basic or alkaline stage. But the quality of the water is very important. So the pH of the water should be alkaline as well. And also free of chemicals like fluor, those stuff, it's really not interesting. But if you don't have a really good water, you need to change your food for food that has more water. So go green. Go green. More vegetables and especially fruits. There's a lot of fruits that has very high level of water, and that's what will makes your body works better, and everything about your health will be up, looks better, and builds really good environment for your cells. I want to talk to you what happens when we have acid blood. We have in the body some microorganisms that they actually eat our nutrients. So when we eat those microorganisms, they really create more, they increase when there is the environment, there is much acid. So that's why we eat, and they take all the nutrients, and we are still hungry, and then we need to eat more, especially for who eats a lot of sugar. And who is struggling with overweight knows that much sugar we eat, much more we need to eat. And it's exactly because of that, because when you eat sugar that is very acid, you have acid blood, and then you have more microorganisms in your body that just take your ingredients, your nutrition. So what we need to do is to drink more water, and not just drink more water, but we need also to make better choice about our food. And I would say to you, fruits is the best. But some people can say, well, Clara, but fruits has a lot of sugar as well. Yes, that's true. But when you have the sugar with the fiber, it's working different in your body. And also those fruits has very high level of water, and the water, how I told you, will make your blood more basic. So it will just make you more health and with more oxygen. It's something that I know a lot because I have lived it. I have experienced that when we are overweight, we just see people walking around. They have so much energy. I was so envious. I was so jealous of people that has a lot of energy. And I said, why I cannot produce the same? Why I cannot have the same energy. If you are overweight, you are over acid. And what happens when we go to gym and we work out a lot with anaerobic exercise, we just get more acid. If you do anaerobic exercise, you don't do really aerobic exercise to get more oxygen, you will not get enough energy. And another thing that I would like to tell you is about those, fashion diets. Those fashion diets that most of them